Hello again. Wednesday morning, making a video for today's checklist, Wednesday, September 16th. A couple things that we need to just kind of discuss right off the bat. First and foremost, school has started. So please make sure that you're not just coming to Minnesota Studies to get things done and you're checking in on your classes. Make sure you're going to all of your classes. I've had a lot of questions about, what we're supposed to do and where we're supposed to be. And really the reality for you right now is even if you miss a live class, as long as you're checking in with the materials and trying to get some work done that teachers have posted in their courses, you're going to be good. Also, if you missed it, I sent out an update today informing you that as of 4:30 p.m. yesterday, which was Tuesday, you need to make sure you have or understand that the password for your Chromebooks is now your lunch pin. And if you don't know what your lunch pin is or you forgot, you can find that in Student View. And if you can't figure out how to find it there, let me know and I can get it to you. For today, it's really going to be a pretty simple thing. You're really just going to be focusing on taking what we call a pre-course survey. And I've been doing this every year since I started teaching, regardless of whether we've been distance learning or in class. And so this is really a good way for me to get to know you as a student and kind of figure out where you are at when it comes to social studies. Okay, and so when you're looking at the checklist today, make sure you just click on the second thing that says fill out the pre-course survey. So if you click on this, it's going to bring up this pre-course survey, and it really kind of focuses on three categories. It's going to start with general course questions, which is just kind of what do you know about Minnesota studies, what do you know about Minnesota history, and then it's going to move on to technology. And this is where we really start to figure out where are you at when it comes to technology? Are you really good at typing? How do you feel about Chromebooks, Schoology, that type of stuff, okay? And the last section is going to be all about you as a learner. And so one thing you should know about my teaching philosophy and really how I think about the course is it is based around you and your interests. And as much as we talk about things in the past versus the present, we really try to combine your interests and how you learn to make the course what it is. And so whether or not you might believe this, I'm being honest when I say this is probably one of the most important assignments that I put out for the entire year, because it really does kind of put a foothold on what we're doing for the year in Minnesota Studies. And so as you're taking this today, you might be saying to yourself, come on, Mr. Rysavy, how is this 17 questions long? I promise you, it goes a lot quicker than you think. With that said, please make sure you're taking your time, okay? I want you to make sure that you're answering all of these questions to the best of your ability and as honestly as you possibly can, because it's gonna help me really think about what we need to do moving forward to make Minnesota Studies a class you enjoy a lot, okay? If we go back to Minnesota Studies, I do want to make it aware for you as well that the third bullet point for our checklist today is that for Thursday's lesson, you do need to start to prepare yourself to get ready for a live lesson. And really what we're going to be trying out is Kahoot together, class by class. And so if you look here, you're going to see that each period that I teach has its own Google Meet link. And so when you are supposed to be in my class is when I want you to join this Google Meet. So for example, if you have hour 4, period 4, don't join the period 1 link, okay? Join the period 4 link, the class that you're supposed to be in. If you're still confused about when you have Minnesota Studies, please make sure you're looking at the schedule that is provided to you on Student View so you know which one to choose. And we'll go over this again tomorrow, but I just want to make sure you guys got a heads up for today. So again, watch this video once it's posted, fill out the pre-course survey, prepare yourself for Thursday's live lesson together as a class. Have a great day, guys.